Welcome to World Heritage Tombs. I'll develop the story of the royal tomb of King Injong and his consort Queen Inseong. Hyoreung is the tombs of the 12th ruler of Joseon Dynasty, King Injong and his consort Queen Inseong. It is located in West 3 Royal Tombs, Seosamneung, Goyang. Unfortunately, it's a closed area. I've never been there. The precious cultural assets belong to private property, so it is closed to the public, but it will be open to the public someday. The livestock cooperative owns land and is in private management. An unfortunate king, whose mother died a few days after his birth and had no strong supporters. He died just 9 months after his throne, and he was the shortest in the Joseon Dynasty. He had the qualities of a good king, but his filial piety was too deep. King Injong's nursing illness consumed so much physical strength that he ended up dying of illness at 31. The unofficial history states that Queen Injong poisoned him, but he died of a disease according to the annals of the Joseon Dynasty. With excessive devotion, he became ill and handed the throne over to his half-brother, King Injong, causing the misrule of Queen Injong. As a result, it seems to be bitter for the future of the country. He is with his mother, Queen Gyeonggi-do, in Seosamneung, and he is being filial to his mother. Queen Inseong had no children. 3 concubines didn't also have their children. It does not seem to be the fault of Queen Inseong. Then who? Queen Inseong was dead at the age of 63 and is alongside King Injong, twin mount. The photos are replaced those taken by the Cultural Heritage Administration.